Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is a screencast-o-matic presentation and recording for the part of the lesson that has us looking at the geography of Southeast Asia. For the map inquiry section, please remember that for this part you have to, of course, label, color, and or symbolize the key features that are on the direction sheet here on the map using the Chemi app provided. So let me go ahead and start off by making sure you understand the directions for the assignment. Of course, you have the countries of Asia and Southeast Asia here that you have to label, and then of course color. You can use the color here and portray that color here by adjusting it on your formatted options on the Google Doc. And then of course make sure those colors coincide with the map. In terms of bodies of water, you have to label the bodies of water, whether they're oceans in dark blue or seas and bays in light blue. And of course you can change the color here using this tool to represent that on the map as well. And then when it comes to cities, all you have to do is just label them using the text box tool on Chemi, and of course label each with a star. So let me go ahead and present to you the key locations that are part of this map. And remember that you are welcome to start and stop this presentation at any time to help you with labeling in unison. So here we go. Let's label the oceans first. You have the Indian Ocean down here, and then the Pacific Ocean over here. In terms of labeling seas and bays, we have the Bay of Bengal over here. We have the South China Sea over here, the Philippine Sea over here, the East China Sea up here. Those are the four main seas and bays. In terms of large nations that are nearby, we have India located over here, and then we have China located over here. When it comes to actual countries and large islands, let's start off with these islands here. First, we have Taiwan, Hainan, right over here, and then Sri Lanka, which is off the coast of India, down here. Now let's get to the countries. So with the color of your choice, label and shade in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is located right up here. Next, with the color of your choice, label and shade in Burma or Myanmar, located right here. And then next, with the color of your choice, label and shade in Thailand. Thailand is located right here. Next, with the color of your choice, label and shade in Cambodia. Cambodia is located right here. Next, with the color of your choice, label and locate Laos. Laos is right here. With the color of your choice, label and shade in Vietnam. Vietnam is located right here. So there you go. And Malaysia. Malaysia is actually located down here in two separate parts. Make sure that you label and color both parts. And then I believe you have to label and color Indonesia. Indonesia can be represented by the square color tool using the Chemi box tool option. And or you can just shade in all the islands if you like. Or outline them too in some type of contour or formation. And then I believe you have to label with the color of your choice and color in the Philippines. Philippines are located right here. Please don't forget to label and then symbolize with a star some other item of demarcation the major capital cities of all these places, from Burma and Myanmar all the way down to and through Indonesia. You may pause this slide too to label and color accordingly. And then Bangladesh is located at top. Don't forget about Dhaka. And just for context here, Bangladesh is located right up here. Okay? So there you guys have it. Those are all the parts of the map component that you need to label, symbolize, and color. Thank you very much for tuning in, and good luck with completing the rest of the lesson.